You are most welcome in this presentation. This is L related to Mathematics channel, and I want to take you through the statement of release of results of the year 2025 primary living examination, that is PLE, released today, 30th January 2026. I'm going to break it down for you in simple ways. So let us dive into the video and begin with the introduction. As we all know that the release of results has to be done by the Minister of Education and Sports. The registration of the candidates in the year 2025, that is PLE. It reads that a total of 817,883 candidates from 15,388 examination centers registered for PLE in the year 2025, compared to the 797,444 candidates who registered in the year 2024, meaning that in the year 2025, more candidates registered for PLE compared to the previous year, which is the 2024, as you can see the figure here below. So there is a table here which shows clearly the number of candidates who registered for PLE in the year 2025. You can try to, and then towards the right or far right, we have the number of sitting centers where they start the examinations from. So you can just pause the video. Then below here we have the registration of the special groups, the candidates that need, for example, special needs. I say that the board registered 3,636 learners with special needs of various categories, including the blind, the deaf, and physically handicapped. You can proceed to read. It continues stating that this is an increase of 308, in brackets 9.3% candidates, compared to those ones who sat for PLE in the year 2024. Then you have those ones that sat for PLE while in detention or in prison. They are given below here. You can just read, pause the video and read. Then we have the overall number of candidates registered and those who sat the examination. So there is a difference between those ones who registered and then those ones who registered and still managed to sit for the examination in the year 2025. So they are given in the table below. You can try to read through. Take your time. You can just pause the video and read it through. After that, let us talk of the performance of the candidates, beginning with the item response analysis of 2025 PLE candidates. Just pause the video and read through. And by percentage, we have the table as stipulated here. You can just pause the video and read through. Then let us talk of the overall performance by grade, that is by distinction, credit, and passes. And the table here, it shows clearly the statistics of the learners who scored distinctions, credits, and then passes in comparison with the previous year, that is the year 2024 with the year 2025. And it reads that compared to 2024, English showed an improvement, while SS showed significant decline in performance. Let us now talk in terms of details, percentage of performance by grade and gender. We have the statistics, which is also interpreted in a graphical diagram, as you can see here. And this is English. We can see that this one, the blue one, is for the males, and then As you can see, the key is down here. Then let us go to, that is science, then SST, and lastly mathematics. Seeing details, we can talk of the frequency distribution for the PLE 2025 total aggregates. It is here. You can just look at it. Then let us talk of the overall performance by division. Then we have the bar graphs. Then let us talk of the overall performance by gender. So we can see that more males passed in Division 1 compared to females. Likewise, in Division 2, more males passed compared to females. Then the performance of the special needs candidates, those in the prisons compared and those that need special, and those of special needs can be represented here in the table. Then lastly, let us have the comments, the brief comments on the work of candidates. And as per subjects, they are here. So these are very important to the other remaining learners in P6, P5, and other classes. They are the points to take note of for better results. You can just pause the video. Then let us have examination malpractice. Then the withheld exams. So you can just read here and get to know which schools that they have withheld their results. They are here. The correctional results and instructions to get PLE results by SMS. So here. Then lastly we have the signatory. And thanks for watching. In the next video I'm going to break down how you can get your results, PLE results, by SMS. See you again next time. Goodbye.